Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cracked Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important topic, which is polity. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from Indian Economy and Policy is Niti Aayog was established in which year? So, it was established in 2015. So, option B is the correct answer. Question number two, the term Atmanirbhar Bharat refers to what? So the question itself says the answer Atmanirbhar means self-reliant. So option A is the correct answer. Question number three, the first woman RBI governor was. So the correct answer is option D, that is Dr. Indira Nooyi. Question number four, the Digital India initiative was launched in which year? So answer is again 2015, that is option B. Question number five. The National Infrastructure Pipeline, that is NIP, aims to what? So it basically aims to increase the investment in infrastructure. Option A is the correct answer. Question number six. The main objective of PM Kishan scheme is to increase like option A, income support to farmers. So option A is the correct answer. Question number seven. Which scheme provides subsidized cooking gas connection? So answer is option B, that is PMUY. Question number 8, India ranks in the Global Innovation Index 2014 is. So the answer is option B, that is it ranks 40. Question number 9, the flagship scheme, that is Skill India, focuses on what? So it focuses on vocational training, that is option A is the correct answer. Question number 10, Make in India initiative focuses mainly on manufacturing sector, that is option A is the correct answer. Let's go to the question number 11. India's first sovereign wealth fund is. So the answer is option A, that is National Investment Fund. Question number 12. The Startup India schemes provides. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. It provides tax benefits, also easy loans, and also mentorship. Question number 13. Atal Pension Yojana provides what? Simple. Question itself seals the answer, that is old age pension. Option A is the correct answer. Now let's go to the question number 14. PMAY stands for what? So it basically stands for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 15. The term financial inclusion means what? So it means providing banking services to all. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 16. Inflation targeting in India is done by whom? So it is basically done by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 17. The largest contributor to India's GDP is. So it basically is option C, services. Question number 18. GST was implemented in India on 1st July 2017. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 19. PMJJBY refers to life insurance scheme. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 20. The main objective of MG and REGM MIGRA is. So the correct answer is option A, that is employment guarantee. Now let's start with the banking and finance part. Question number 21. CRR is maintained with option A is the correct answer, that is RBI. Question number 22. SLR is, so it is basically a statutory liquidity ratio. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 23. The repo rate is, so it is basically a rate at which RBI lends loan lends loan to banks. So option A is the correct answer. And question number 24, reverse repo rate is opposite to what? Question number 23. So it is basically a rate at which RBI borrows from the banks. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 25, NPA stands for. So it basically stands for non performing asset. Question number 26, the largest public sector bank in India is none other than SBI. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 27, the priority sector lending policy aims at agriculture, MSME, and education. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 28, the Central Bank of India is a RBI. That is, option A is the correct answer. Question number 29, digital payments in India are promoted through. I think the answer is all of the above. Yes, all of the above. It is promoted through UPI, Beam, and also mobile banking apps. So answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 30. The banking regulator in India is. So the answer is option A, that is RBI. Question number 31. Jan Dhan Yojana aims to. So answer is option A. It provides bank accounts to all citizens. Question number 32. Financially financial literacy rate financial literacy is promoted by whom? So answer is option D, that is all of them. It is promoted by RBI, NABARD, and also SEBI. Question number 33, inflation due to cost increase is. So the answer is option A, that is it is cost push inflation. And question number 34, inflation due to excess demand is. I'm sorry for the disturbance. Question number 34, inflation due to excess demand is called. So the correct answer is option A, that is demand pull inflation. That is in demand pull inflation. Now let's go to the question number 35. Physical deficiency means. So it means total expenditure is more than revenue. Option A is the correct answer. Now let's start with the international economics and trade. Question number 36, WTO stand for. So the correct answer is option A, that is World Trade Organization. Question number 37, IMF stands for. So it is International Monetary Fund. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 38, World's Bank's main function is. So its main function is providing loan to countries. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 39, 39, FDI in India is a part of capital account. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 40, exchange rate is influenced by both, that is market forces and also RBI. Question number 41, tariff refers to. So it basically refers to tax on imports. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 42, free trade implies is on trade without barriers. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 43, balance of payments includes both, that is current account and as well as capital account also. Question number 44, the largest exporter of IT services in the world is. Answer is option A, that is India. Question number 45, the term remittance refers to. So it basically refers to money sent by citizens abroad. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 46, BRICS countries includes. So it basically includes option A, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and also South Africa. Question number 47, G20 is. So it is a group of 20 major economics. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 48, the largest contributor to India's imports is. So that is petroleum. Option A is the correct answer. 49. The largest contributor to India's export is. So it basically option A, services. And the last question, inflation targeting in India uses CPI, that is Consumer Price Index.